Take it from the top, I'ma tell you how I feel. No need to front, everything real. I do the damn thing without no deal. So gutter I am, like my name Will. No tight pants, like I'm better on you. $250 each foot, $500 for the shoes. Smell like heaven, send your perfume. You're my angel, girl, look at you. Walking all sexy, looking good with them tights on. Right time, so you know you need the right song. One that tells the whole world you gorgeous. No one's perfect, but girl, you flawless. While the beat knock, you get hooked to the chorus. Something about you, just can't call it. Mind telling me no, body telling me yes, girl. You the one, so forget all the rest. Hey there, girl, how you doing today? Won't take long, just a moment to say I think you are beautiful. Forget about them, it's all about you. Hey there, girl, how you doing today? Won't take long, just a moment to say I think that you are beautiful. And this song here is all about you. We can chill on the moon and just stare at the stars. So spaced out, Venus or Mars. Sky is the limit, then there's beyond. Straight to the top, spaceships I'm on. Been down for a minute, but been up for a while. Not just your look, loving your style. Had to take the shot, just like the foul. On top of all that, beautiful smile. Sick game, jewelry bling as I approach. She bad, so sexy, deserve a toast. Mind right, just the way that it's supposed to. Hoping she wake up and smell a Folgers. Somewhere out in Paris is what I told her. Implying I get money like a hold up. Had to take this time, know it's overdue. But this song here is just for you. Hey there, girl, how you doing today? Won't take long, just a moment to say I think that you are beautiful. I think you're beautiful.